This video is brought to you by Big Al Lubricants. Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We have a 67 Mustang. It's the stick, see the 3 pedals and the shifter. He is in the process of redoing the interior, so the seats are out of it right now. He's going to redo the seats and then put some carpet. The dash. I think the dash has already been done. Yeah, it looks like the pad's been done. Redo the door panels and doors and stuff. So, cool old car. He's had this car for quite a while. He's been slowly working on it. And the car is in the process of being repaired by Harrison's Garage in Wake Forest, North Carolina. They gave me permission to do this video. Tony Harrison's good folks, good folks. If you're in the area, this is a good place to get your car worked on. They do a good job. They work on mine. So it's a free plug for them indeed. But I wouldn't let them touch my stuff if they didn't do good work. Stuff I can't do on my newer cars. Alrighty folks, check it out. I believe he's telling me this is an original car as far as paint. I believe the top's been replaced on it once, but pretty slick old machine. Good body style. Yeah, maybe the tail lights might have been replaced. I don't know how original it is, but you can see some of the telltale signs. It's not a restored car at one point. Been some parts put on it over the years. Got a little body damage and some spots. So it is an original car for the most part. Looks like it was last on the road in '97. That windshield looks to be new, but it can't be with the '97 sticker, so I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, pretty cool old car. It's a V8. I can't pop the hood on it right now. I don't do that unless the owner's around. But it is a V8. I think he said a 302. It's got some minor modifications to it. I think it's got a modern modern 2-barrel carburetor on it. I think they replaced the original carburetor, I believe. And it seems like it had chrome valve covers on it. I have to take more for that. So there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. Bob out.